Hi everyone! Whether you're using the installed version of Microsoft Teams on your device or you're accessing Microsoft Teams online on the web on a Chrome or Edge browser, you're either going to enter Teams in this particular view where you see the tiles for all of the teams that you either created or that you belong to, or Teams will open and launch you back into a team that you were previously working in. For instance, here I am inside my staff team. Remember that you can always return to the tile view for all of the teams that you are a member or owner of by simply coming up to the top above the name of your team and clicking All Teams, or clicking on the Teams tab here in the far left navigation. Let's take a closer look at the features of a staff team. So I'm going to open my St. Demo School ECSD staff team. The first thing I'd like you to notice is that no matter what team you're working in, you will always have access to the far left navigation bar for Microsoft Teams. Here in this navigation bar, you will be able to see any team activity. That includes any notifications from any teams you're a member or owner of. You will have access to Teams chat. You can return to your Teams tile menu by clicking on Teams. You have access to the Assignments tab for all of your class teams, Teams calendar, files, as well as calls inside of Teams. In this center panel, we begin to see features that are specific to our team. For instance, we have our team picture here in the top left corner, and you can change the team picture by hovering over this icon, and you will see a little pencil icon. When you click it, you have access to a variety of tiles. Notice that here you can also change the privacy of the team. Below the team picture, we have the team name, and to the right of the team name, we see the three dots or Timbits for the More Options menu. Here you will see you have access to manage team settings, add channels, add members, edit your team, or even delete the team. Below the team name, we see what's called the General Channel. We'll talk more about channels in a separate video, but channels are a great way to organize the content, conversations, and collaborations inside your team. Every team comes with a general channel, and inside the general channel, that's where we look to the panel on the right. Here inside the general channel, we can see that we have 4 different tabs along the top. We have a tab for posts. This brings us inside essentially our conversation stream. We have a tab for files, which allows us to see inside our file storage area for the general channel. We have a tab for our specific OneNote notebook. In this case, because it's a staff team, we get a staff OneNote notebook. And we see this plus. This plus is to add a tab. And when I click it, notice that I can add tabs or shortcuts to a wide variety of apps, websites, or even documents. We will take a closer look at how you can organize your team by creating new channels, as well as leverage the features inside tabs like the Post tab, the Files tab, and even adding new tabs in order to enhance communication and collaboration inside your staff team in future videos.